Hey, good afternoon and welcome back to the shop here at New Traditions. It is March 23rd, 2021, and we're doing ukuleles, lots of ukuleles. I'd show you the progress. This is number 247. This is a myrtle, and you've probably seen this one before. Myrtle back and sides with a Port Orford cedar top and a myrtle rosette around the sound hole. That's 247. And this is the soundboard. I'm just getting ready to tune it, which is a series of carving and sanding on the inside of the soundboard. I always like to put one application of finish on my raw soundboards so that they don't warp or get wet or anything like that from the environment. But this is excuse me. This is 248 Port Orford cedar soundboard, number 248, with a pistachio rosette around the sound hole. This is the sides for 248 pistachio, and it will have a curly maple binding on it. And here's the back for 248. Again, pistachio with curly maple stripe down the middle. And when joined, the graft lines will match up. The side graft line will match with the back. And that will be number 248. And that'll be, it's getting there, slow but sure. We've got a lot of Dulcimer orders that I have to take care of, but I do thoroughly love building ukuleles, and this one of the reasons is the woods that I use. This Port Orford cedar, master grade Port Orford cedar, is just outstanding. Anyway, that's it from New Traditions. Here's number 248 Port Orford cedar top, 247. And the reason that this one isn't as shiny as the other one is that it's already had its first application of finish on it and sanded back. So that's why it's not got that shine. New Traditions Dulcimers, number 248, Port Orford cedar, pistachio. Lord bless you guys. See you next time.